check it out. So here's the job that we just finished. We painted all the brick white and then painted the blue little ribbons above the windows. Do take into account that this is a church slash learning academy. Slash. So we did paint this. This is Greek Via white, and then this is Yucatan blue. So originally we were hired to repair some brick, and then we got the job of painting the building. So there you go. That is Greek Villa white with Yucatan blue, and it goes all the way down. This is the other side of the building, so did this side today. So contact us today for your free quote, 512-822-8387. We do all types of masonry, outdoor living spaces, even painting. Contact us.